Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to upload document on Etrade. So guys, the first step, log in your account on Etrade, and this is the first step. Enter with your ID and password. After that, go to account here from here option guys, account. If you log in your account from here, after that guys, what you have to do, go to upload document, and from account go to upload the document. And after that guys, you make sure have a PDF document file, and the size will PDF and clear, and no any problems on your document, and make sure you have a right format to your document. And after that, click submit option. This is how you can do guys to upload your document. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content. And guys, if you have any problems, you can contact support team chat from here, this three dots here, and ask him about your document and your problems, and you will send your message how to fix that. Thanks guys for watching this video. Can give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. See you another video.